Hi, Troy. Say happy birthday to Daddy.
Hi, Dad. Happy birthday, Daddy. I love you. I miss you, Dad.
Oh, hi, Angel.
Hi.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Dad. Happy birthday, Dad. I love you. I miss you. Ingat
Ano
kayo.
pang gusto mong sabihin kay Daddy?
Thank you sa lahat na binigay niyo sa amin. I love you. Bye-bye.
Oh, hi, Ate Trish. Anong message mo kay Daddy?
Hi, Dad. Love you, Dad. Happy birthday. Dad. Reset. Happy Dad.
Hi, Queen Era. Anong message mo kay Daddy? Hello, Dad. Kamusta kayo dyan, Dad? Kami okay naman kami dito. Happy birthday nga para, Dad. I wish you more years to come, Dad. Love you. Uy. Ano yun?
Ano?
Ano?
Yung mag-greet ka kay Daddy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy 42th birthday, 42nd birthday. Wish you all the best, Dad. Lapit tayo magsama-sama dyan. See you soon. Tapos, wish you all the best, Dad, and more birthdays to come. Ingat kayo palagi dyan, Dad. We miss you and we love you. Hi there, Daddy. We have something special for you. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Daddy. We love you. Ingat kayo dyan, Daddy. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay.